It's another beautiful Thursday night, and welcome back to Coffee Chat Season 2, where we brew amazing conversations and inspiring stories. My name is David Noveno, your host for Season 2. Ayan mga ka-coffee mates and ka-coffee cakes, it's another very special episode for today. But before anything else, hayaan niyo po muna akong bumati sa inyo ng advance. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Ayan, dahil it's already been bare months na naman. Ayan. And also, we would like to thank once again our sponsor, Hesinea Aesthetic Clinic. If you want to have a beautiful, radiant, and glowing skin, punta na sa pinakamalapit nilang branches. So we have two available branches around Metro Manila. First is in Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City, and the other one is in NS Amoranto in Quezon City. So for booking and reservations, you may contact them directly at 0929-275-1014 at 0906-208-8183. They are open every day from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. So again, guys, if you want to have a beautiful, radiant, and glowing skin, please go now to their nearest branches to you so that they could assist you and help you with all your skin concerns. Ayan. Also, I would like to invite everyone to please do like, subscribe, and follow our official pages. For Ignis Novus Artist Management, we have at Facebook and at Instagram at Ignis Novus Artist Management. And of course, in TikTok, we have at ignosnovus.official. For our mother production page, so we have First Son Production. We have pages from Facebook and Instagram, First Son Production. And of course, if you want to see more of our contents, educational contents, of course, and teasers of our theater plays and upcoming corporate events, you may go to our YouTube page at First Son Creatives. And maliban po doon, of course, we would like to invite everyone to always please support our live stream. This is happening every 7 p.m. sa Ignis Novus Artist Management page. Siyempre, unang-una na dyan, every Mondays, it's Chikahan with Mommy Ray, every 7 p.m. And then every Wednesdays, we have Up Top Down Low podcast with Caleb Alvarez and Charles Dion Partido. And of course, syempre, every Thursday, we have Coffee Chat with the Vendoveno. Again, it's 7 p.m. So make your 7 p.m. a habit with Ignis Novus Artist Management. And without further ado, yeah, mga ka-coffee mates and ka-coffee cakes, as I've mentioned a while ago, we do have a very special guest for today. He is a ramp model and one of the top 8 finalists of the recent Catwalk Philippines 2025. So let's all please do welcome Mr. Nico Di Maano. Ayan, good evening and welcome to
Good
Coffee
evening
Chat,
po.
Nico.
Grateful to be here po.
Ayan. So before anything else, bumati ka muna sa mga viewers
Hello po.
natin.
Hello po mga viewers.
Yan. So again, welcome here in Coffee Chat, Nico. So dito, while we are having conversation, syempre gusto natin, chillax lang tayo dito. Yeah, so we have coffee here. Yeah, so whenever you want to take a sip,
Hmm.
'di ba, para ma-relax tayo before we start with our conversation. At makulit na kwentuhan today, pwede ka
Okay.
take a sip of the coffee. Okay? So just a warm up. This is for everyone para at least makilala tayo ng ating mga viewers.
Mhm.
Now, so Nico, I was mentioning a while ago about Catwalk Philippines 2025. Now, pwede mo ba kaming kwentuhan paano ba nagsimula yung career mo as a ramp model?
Okay, so my first ever experience with modeling
Mhm.
was during the summer of 2023 when my mother enrolled me to a modeling training camp.
Mhm.
However, my first, goal was not actually to be a model. It was just to be more outgoing since during at that point I was shy, extra introverted as they would say.
Okay.
So during that we attended for 10 Saturdays.
Oh, okay.
So every Saturday 1 to 4 p.m.
Oh, so talagang merong may workshop talaga, right? And as you have mentioned, that's every
Saturday.
Saturdays, no?
Yes.
And is this year lang ba to or is it recently or for the previous years? Kailan to nagsimula?
So my first ever fashion show
Mhm.
was on 2024.
Okay.
And the workshop was on 2023. Then during the fashion show, which is on
Mm.
2024, Lipa City Fashion Week, is when I first developed a passion and a liking to modeling itself.
Okay. So 2023 and then 2024 yun yung unang
Mm,
sabak mo with
yes.
ramp modeling. Pwede mo
Yes.
kami kwentuhan tungkol ba saan tong before this modeling in 2024 was before Catwalk Philippines,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So pwede mo ba kaming bring us back in time? Ano nangyari dun sa first ever mo na ramp modeling?
So in the first ever rap one, it was Lipa City Fashion Week,
Mhm.
with its director, Sir Icon Santos, Sir Direct Icon. During that, parang kinakabahan pa ako nun.
Mm.
Since first ever ko to fashion show, so di ko nung alam ko ano i-expect ko.
Mhm.
So first ever, parang, uh, di man audition, parang, uh, um,
Where it's like your parang debut mo siya eh,
yes,
debut
yes, yes.
for ramp modeling,
Hmm.
right? And then ano yan, is it like a pageant ba to? Ano
Uh,
ba siya?
It's a fashion show po.
Fashion show
So,
talaga.
may
Okay.
designer po ako na si Miss Jenny Camacho.
Okay.
During which we presented a very colorful and peacock-inspired suit and bands.
Oh, interesting to ah. So, merong specific na theme. Yan, is
Mm.
it everyone should be colorful during that fashion show or
Uh,
yun lang yung sa design mo?
that is only for my work po, for my design. Pero
Okay.
in the entire fashion show po, there was no specific na
Okay.
So depende po yun sa designer mo or kung ano po yung
Mhm.
susuotin mo.
Okay, and is it the same like yung setup natin with Catwalk that there's really a lot of faces na pinagdaanan or it's just really a one night na fashion show?
It's only one night since
Mhm.
multiple designers, tapos marami rin po silang mga models na pinapakita.
Oh, okay.
So, di po siya katulad ng catwalk na may tatlo pong faces. So,
Mhm.
different wears. Kami, isa lang po yung amin na suot, tapos pinakita po.
Okay, perfect. Sige.
Mm,
Pag-usapan natin yan more on that later on.
okay.
Okay, check lang natin. I think meron mga tao sa comment sections right now. Batiin lang natin sila. Ayan, unang-una na syempre si Mami Ray. Ayan,
Evening po.
magandang gabi sa'yo, Mami Ray. Good evening, Deven and Nico. Yan,
Evening
good
po.
evening. And then we have Peter Charles, syempre si Pitts. Hello, magandang gabi sa'yo. Ayan. So, going back to your journey, no, after nun, paano ka na-invite or paano ka napasok with Catwalk Philippines?
So, since after yun, naghanap pa rin po ng mga fashion shows na pwede salihan.
Mhm.
Then, nakita po yung Catwalk Philippines. At first, kali po namin, ng kasama po namin ko po, na
Mhm.
fashion show lang siya. Hindi po
Okay.
siya parang modeling competition.
Mhm.
So, nalaman po namin yan nung na-competition po siya on the day na mismo pupunta kami sa GoSee.
Okay.
So, pagpunta namin doon sa GoSee, tinanong sa akin nanay kung itutuloy ko pa since competition siya, hindi siya normal na fashion show.
Mhm.
And nag-agree naman ako since sayang naman yung opportunity. At
Mhm.
kung sakali makasama naman, big opportunity po sa akin for us modeling.
Mhm. And
Mm.
because of that, 'di ba, ang daming nag-open na possibilities,
Yes.
opportunities for us.
Mm.
'Di ba? Kamusta ang journey mo with Catwalk Philippines? Kasi alam ko yung training mo diyan, it's very hectic talaga yung schedules, 'di ba? From day one hanggang dun sa day ng competition.
Yes.
Exactly. Now, so how was the journey?
So sa journey naman ng Catwalk Philippines, my personal experience was that masaya naman siya. So
Mhm.
kahit na madaling araw gigising or luluwas since sa Maynila po siya, pero nasaya naman ako sa mga events, lalo na po dun sa ating Flores de Mayo, mga
Mhm.
pre-competition na events, and most importantly, the mismong day of the show po.
Yun. Kasi 'di ba, there's a lot of events that we have catered during the
Mm.
Catwalk Philippines. And isa na nga dito yung ginawang Flores de Mayo sa, was that in Bataan ba? Tama?
Bataan, yes
That
po.
was in Bataan, right? And if I could remember it correctly, 'di ba meron kayong mga specific of circles of designers here,
Mm.
right? And paano ka nag-adjust with that kind of activities? Kasi previously yung experience mo was only a one night fashion show and it's
Yes.
really a different setup here in
Mm.
Catwalk, 'di ba? Kasi technically pageant siya.
Okay.
But it's a pageant for ramp modeling.
Yes.
Right? Paano ka naman nag-adjust with that setup?
So, first time ko din yun mag-experience ng Flores de Mayo. So, before
Mhm.
that, no. Na hindi pa ako nakapag-Flores de Mayo. So, at that point, nag-adjust naman ako, for example, being able, kilalanin yung mga co-models ko po.
Mhm.
Then yung mga designers ko po, and just having a downright mentality. To be
Okay.
humble and be open to learnings po.
Yan, very very good yun, no? Kasi you really need to be susceptible. Wow, susceptible ba? Tama ba yung word ko? You have to be, kailangan mo maging open. Ayan na lang, mas madali. You have to be open kasi para ma-absorb mo kung ano man yung tinuturo sa atin along the journey. Right? Kasi may,
Yes.
may mga ano yun eh, may mga yung phases na dinaanan natin, there's really tawag dito, may mga learnings talaga na pinapasok, right? Kasi especially nung nagkaroon tayo ng workshop, 'di ba?
Yes.
For ramp walks,
Yes.
yung how paano ba ang difference ng isang lakad na pang kontesera at saka versus sa isang ramp model,
Yes.
right? Kamusta naman na experience during that time?
So, with our mentor na si Miss Shady Lim po.
Mhm.
So, silabi nila ni Miss sa amin during that day na para sa kanya, wala ang difference sa pageant walk at sa model
Mhm.
walk. Since parang, at nagagets ko naman kung bakit. Since for a normal person, pag may nakita silang naglalakad, di nila iniisip kung or kinakategorize kung pageant ba siya, kung nag-pageant siya or nagma-model.
Correct.
Pero ang isip nila kung maganda yung walk mismo. So parang makikita mo na pang difference kung alam mo na mismo kung anong ginagawa nila po.
Mhm. And that was like half day ata yung workshop eh. Is it half day? Parang buong araw ata yun, di ba?
Buong araw po siya.
Buong araw,
Yes.
okay.
Morning to afternoon.
Right. And then after nun, syempre we nagsukat tayo ng iba't ibang klaseng damit because that's part of Catwalk Philippines,
Yes.
right? We have yung sa Department of Tourism and then yung sa Couture
Yes.
and all. Now, tanungin kita, Nico, ikaw naman personally, paano ka nag-prepare for the competition?
So, my preparation, I have two factors which I focus on.
Mhm.
So, yung una, of course, physical appearance. Katawan, mukha, skincare, everything in that. So, for my physical appearance, syempre, nagpapayat po ako to be more lean and try to build as much muscle before the day of the competition po. Since may swimwear naman po yung na segment, so para magmukhang, maskulado po.
Mhm.
Then for the skills naman po, which, modeling skills and expression, I did what, the designers suggested, which is to practice expressions or different emotions in the mirror for mga 10 minutes every day.
Mhm.
So, and for the walk, posture. Posture yung pinaka-isang very important aspect, having a straight body
Mhm.
and and a steady walk.
Steady walk. Ayan. So talagang ang dami, no? You really have to look into different aspects. Kasi syempre, if you are like a ramp model, from the term itself, model ka eh. So,
Yes.
maraming tumitingin sa'yo, whether during the competition or outside the competition, di ba?
Yes.
Now, I know there are a lot of doors na nag-open because of this opportunity. Now, I want to know lang, no, what's the difference before and after the Catwalk Philippines for you?
So before, I would say that being a model is like very far before the catwalk, since my only experience was just one fashion show. But after that, after the Catwalk Philippines, parang lumapit na siya sa akin. Parang pwede na siya abutin. Since nag-top 8 po ako, parang pwede ko siyang gawing as a career po.
Yon. And in the future ba, meron ka bang, if in case that there will be an openings for, ramp modeling competitions, anong plan mo? Would you still want to pursue?
Yes,
Or-
I would try and pursue such competitions and events, lalo na sa mga mga fashion weeks. Pinaka-isang gusto kong ma-attendan and be part of is the Bench Fashion Week.
Oh, Bench Fashion Week. So, ito, pagandahan talaga ng katawan dito eh, di ba?
Yes, po.
Bench. So, So, well, kilala naman natin yung mga kilalang artists right now,
Mm,
no? Na kailangan talaga sexy and
yes.
maskulado. Well, hindi naman maskulado, but at least lean.
Mm,
'Di ba? Maganda yung katawan, in
yeah.
short. Now, maliban sa pag-ramp model, meron ka pa bang ibang other stuffs that you want to, ma-reach in your career?
So in my career, I want, of course, to be somewhat of a commercial artist.
Okay?
Then at least become a table tennis player since table tennis is one of my go-to sports, a hobby of
Oh,
mine.
okay.
Then eventually get good at drawing. Drawing has always been a passion of mine since I was a kid.
Mm. And ano to, like, for example, you've mentioned na mahilig ka mag-drawing, no?
Mm.
Is this like the career that you're professionally? And I'm saying
Ah,
professionally ramp modeling is also a professional job, 'di
yes,
ba?
yes.
Kasi you have to kailangan mo mag-invest
Mm.
on yourself. But what I'm trying to say is academically, is
Ah.
it the same thing that you're pursuing right now?
Actually, no. Academically, I'm pursuing in the field of medicine, medical
Okay.
technology in
Mm-hmm.
particular. So my plan for that is medical technology as a pre-med. So I'm planning to actually become a doctor.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have a plan in the future to take medicine, no?
Yes.
Pero meron ka na bang sorry, saan ka right now nag-aaral ng medical
As
technology?
of as of now, University of Santo Tomas, UST.
Oh, UST.
Yes.
Okay. So same with Angela, 'di ba? UST yun si
Opo.
Angela. Ayan. So anyways, so right now you're taking med tech course,
Mm,
right? And you've mentioned na gusto mo mag-doctor somewhere in the near future.
yes, in future.
Meron ka bang specializations that you're wanting
Yes.
to?
Anesthesiologist, if tama ba pagbigkas ko doon.
Mhm.
Since the main reason dahil gusto ko yun, dahil habang nag-opera, nakaupo lang sila.
Mhm.
At natingin sa mga monitor, nagsasabi din siya sa mga doktor kung ano nangyayari sa patient.
Oh, okay. So anesthesiologist, tama ba ako?
For anesthesia.
Yes, for the anesthesia. Well, it is also a good profession, no?
Mm,
Pero alam naman natin that if you're really a doctor, there's a lot of things that you have to monitor,
mm,
especially during surgery at anesthesiology ka kasi sa yung vital signs and
yes.
all. Now, but right now, balik ako sa career mo out of the academics.
Yes.
Now, sabihin natin sa live industry.
Mm.
No? For now, ano pang gusto mong ma-achieve sa career mo?
Sa career, actually, one goals is to actually land a commercial. I want
Mhm.
to start in a commercial, actually, particularly Potato Corner.
Okay.
Because mula bata, yun ang laging gusto kong kinakain. So,
Okay.
may childhood nostalgia na ako doon sa brand na yon. Then, probably star in a movie, even kahit extra lang siya or di siya major role.
Mhm. Oh, that's good kasi there are a lot of opportunities kaya lang kailangan mo talaga siyang
Mm,
i-drive kasi ah, lalo na ngayon ang daming gusto na mag-artista,
yes.
'di ba? So you have to stand out among the others para
Mm,
makuha mo yung mga roles na gusto mo in the
mm.
future. Okay, sige. Tignan natin kasi sabi ni Peter meron daw mga comments. Saktong-sakto, nandyan si Angela Maghano. Hello, Angela, and good evening sa'yo. And then kay Miss Catherine Indon Lopez Partido, ayan, magandang gabi po. Ma'am, nakikinanay. Hala, maraming salamat po sa nagbagsak ng star, Angela. Baka naman, hindi, joke lang. Thank you so much, Angela. Ayan, maraming salamat sa star mo. Mukhang masarap ang aming ngayon, pangkape after. Hello, magandang gabi. Ayan. Tignan pa natin. Ayan, may question si Mami Rida, and your learning experience sa Kato. Teka lang, parang putol. Balikan natin. Plus your memorable experience sa catwalk. Okay. Yan. Do you have to a plan to enter a male pageant? So I think this is a different
Yes,
it's a
different style.
pageant no, rather than a ramp modeling. So do you also have a plan?
For pageants naman, as of right now, di pa masyadong maglilin towards that. Pero in the future, baka naman. Since for pageants, parang natatakot ako sa preparation since
Mhm.
may mga question and answer and minsan may mga ano pa rin mag-film ng videos or
Mhm.
lalo na for tourism pageants.
Right. So, pero do you plan? May plano ka ba? Or
When the time comes.
when the time comes, ha? Kasi syempre nga naman, maraming preparations
Opo.
dyan, di ba? And it's a different setup with
Yes.
ramp modeling, although it's
Almost
somehow the
similar.
same. No, pero yun nga, may question and answer
Mm.
and all, pagalingan ng talents talaga to. Ayan, si Mama J, hello. Ay, Mama J, miss you. Kamusta ka na? Lumaka ka naman dito minsan. Ayan, dala ka ng ano, sibuyas, sabi mo. Ayan, si Ryan, hello,
Mm.
magandang gabi. Uste ka din ba? Ayan, puro mga taga-Uste itong mga nagko-comment dito. Sila Ryan, sila Angela Maghanoy. Ayan,
Mm.
magandang gabi po sa inyo
Good evening
lahat.
po.
Okay, now, ang dami na nating experience, di ba, with the
Mm.
live industry. As you have mentioned, you want to pursue further on your career na
Yes.
perhaps sa mga digital ads, commercials, TVs,
Mm.
and dyan. With all the things that you have experienced, Nico, I just want to ask, what is the biggest challenge that
Challenge.
you have, alam mo yan, encountered during your journey?
Challenge. Well, since academics and all my other hobbies, the biggest challenge was time. Time management has always been a big factor in what I choose and how the decisions I make. Sometimes I miss opportunities due to not being able to go there, especially during the catwalk. I really wanted to visit the Michaela sponsor visit, but I was
Mhm.
not able since I have a tournament during that time.
Okay.
And yeah, time is very hard.
Alam mo mahirap talagang ano i-manage
Mm,
exactly. Gaya nung sinabi mo kapag there's really a lot on your plates,
yes.
you really have to set your priorities kapag we're talking about time management. It's really a struggle even for me
Mm.
na I'm already outside of the school because I'm already working in corporate, 'di ba?
Mm.
You really have to juggle your time. Now kapag ganyan, you have to set up your priorities. Sorry po. Lakas ang tawa mo, Peter, ah. Ayan. So, right now,
Yes.
anong plan mo? Like, kasi di ba you wanted to venture out of, you wanted to try as
Mm.
well other live industry careers. But what's your plan right now for you to achieve it?
So my plan right now is just to focus on myself, to learn
Okay?
new things. So I'll be focusing, on myself, going to exercise, to the gym,
Mm-hmm.
and then attending especially since I need to attend one, since,
Mm-hmm.
for the Ignis Novus Artist Management. Then, yeah, at that point, focus on the studies as well.
Mhm. Well, alam mo, ang ganda ng sinabi mo kasi sabi nga nila, before you could give to others, you have to focus on yourself. Di ba, Peter? English yun na. Kailangan mong, isa pa daw, you have to, ano yung sinabi ko? Nakalimutan ko na, ito kasi. So, well, it's very true. No? You have to focus on yourself first. Di ba? Before you would expand more and give to others. Kasi, paano ka nga naman magbibigay kung hindi ka kompleto?
Mm.
Right? And syempre, you have to invest as well on yourself. Lalo na if you really wanted to pursue yung the other side of live industry which more on TVs, 'di ba?
Mm.
As a public figure,
Yes.
kailangan mo talaga mag-invest and the very very first step there is really through um workshops.
Yes.
Yeah, so I am very happy na narinig ko sa'yo that
Mm.
you wanted to have a workshop
Yes.
on the artist side kasi
Yes.
ibang ano siya ibang path kumbaga.
Mm.
Pero still at the end of the day, it's still a live industry,
Yes.
'di ba? Now, 15 years from now, 15 years
Okay.
advance tayo ng 15 years right now. 15 years from now, Nico, how do you see yourself?
If 15 years from now, I would see myself at least sana nakatapos na pag-aaral. 15
Okay.
years is long time for doctors since only needs like 8 years then 3 years in specialization.
Mhm.
Then 15 years probably have a family.
Mhm.
I really want, have a family of my own, especially children.
Mhm.
Then be financially stable.
Okay.
Be stable so that, there's no problems that can adhere to with my family.
Mhm.
Then yeah, to just be happy.
Okay. Yeah. Parati ko naririnig yan and it's really a good advice. You need to be happy for yourself.
Mm.
'Di ba? Kasi ang hirap naman na gawin yung isang bagay na hindi ka masaya on the first
Yes.
place. So, yun yung unang tanong talaga, masaya ka ba sa ginagawa mo? Ayan, tignan natin,
Mm.
we have comments here. Mukhang marami-rami tayong comments now. Yan, we have for Milenio Salapari. Hello
Yes.
po. Happy for you, Nico.
Mm.
Ayan. Yan, si Mami J, ayan, pag naging 24 ang waste ni Direct, magsasangla. Ay, ako, Mami J. Ikaw talaga. Hala, may isa pa na tumasyan. Ayan. Hello, Mami J. Yan, bed ko yan. Ayan, may tanong si Mami. Mami Ray naman ngayon. So, sabi niya, if ever mangyari sa'yo ito while in a fashion show na hindi mo gusto yung clothes na
Mm.
i-ramp mo, anong gagawin mo?
Well, since model ka, so
Mhm.
you kind of have to ramp the clothes since it's your
Mhm.
job. So
Correct.
being professional, you also kahit di mo naman gusto, kailangan mo pa din ipakita na gusto mo siya.
Mhm.
Then pero at some degree, pwede ka man mo makiusap sa designer kung pwede naman ibahin ng konti or ganyan. Pero at the end of the day, dapat i-go mo pa rin, irampa mo rin siya sa entablado.
Yes, kasi you have to be professionally ramp model whether you like it or not. 'Di ba? Kailangan mong dalhin siya. Kasi hello, designers yung gumawa niyan, 'di ba?
Mm.
And perhaps baka meron silang meaning behind it kung
Yes.
bakit gano'n ang design nila. 'Di
Mm.
ba? Symbolism. Oh, symbolism. Gusto mo 'yon. Symbolism. Ayan. Idol pa shoutout naman kay King Simon, birthday niya bukas. O yung sabi ng kapatid ko, si Carl Davi, hello.
Mm.
Yan, birthday nung pamangkin ko, yan, si King Simon, hello! Happy birthday! Ay, ito
Birthday
pala yung
po.
camera. Hello! Happy birthday,
Mm.
Simon, ayan. So, babalik tayo dito. Now, alam naman natin sa competitions, di ba? Kahit naman sa ang competition natin, syempre, pagalingan kayo dyan.
Yes.
Kaya nga siya competition,
Opo,
right?
opo.
Meron ka bang na-experience ikaw personally
Mm.
na parang, alam mo yan, yung it's like, teka lang, parang iba yung ugali niya. And then, paano mo hinandle yung situation na gano'n?
Parang wala pa naman akong experience na ganyan, parang iba yung ugali niya sa
Mhm.
Since lahat naman na nakikilala ko, mga co-models ko nung sa catwalk, maganda naman mga ugali nila, mababait, and hardworking. Then sa outside naman from that, mga tournaments, wala rin naman masyado.
Mhm.
So, pero kung sakali may nakaranas po ako ng ganyan, just take it as it is. No, do not add fuel to the fire, kumbaga.
Mhm.
So, kung ganyan talagang ugali niya, yun na lang siya.
Mhm.
Pero since ako naman to, ako lang to.
Yes, correct. You take it professionally.
Mm.
Pa rin, no? Doon tayo sa quote-unquote professionally. Gusto mo yun, fuel the fire. O, Peter, nakakarami ka ng English doon. Yun. So, now, kasi sa isang live performance, hindi nawawala ang mga technical difficulties,
Yes.
di ba? Meron bang, during your journey, kasi the last time Catwalk Philippines, nakailang palit kayo? I think it was 4?
Four.
Kasi we have a swimsuit or the swimwear.
Mm.
We have yung sa DOT, then your couture, at saka ano pang na-miss out ko? Yung sa designer mismo.
Yes.
So, how was it? Paano mo, meron ka bang na-experience na nagkaroon ka ng technical difficulties sa, alam mo yan, yung sa dress mo or sa suot
yes.
mo?
Yes. Actually, during the Santa Rosa ex Micaela, di ko mahanap yung designer ko. So, at that point, wala pa akong nasusuot.
Okay.
Then, since malapit na siya matapos yung parang break in between, kailangan ko lang hanapin yung designer ko. Pero nahalap naman namin.
Okay.
So, yun lang naman ang naging problem. So, paghanap ng designer, pagsuot ng mabilis.
Okay. Kasi kailangan mo talaga maging flexible Lalo na, we all know na ang isang program, may schedule yan.
Yes.
Di ba? Sisigaw yung stage manager, ay! Hindi, joke lang. Ready na kayo, sino na yung susunod? So, you know that. There's a lot of things happening sa backstage.
Yes.
Di ba? Now, paano mo hinandle yung time na yun na hindi mo mahanap yung ano? Kasi alam ko, that's very stressful. Alam mong papasok ka na, pero nasaan na yung ano ko? Yung susot ko. So, how was it? Paano nangyari doon?
Mabuti naman since ang wala lang yung designer. So, pero yung
Okay.
outfit mismo,
Mhm.
nakahanger lang siya sa parts or saan lahat ng designer from Santa Rosa is. So,
Mhm.
tinanong ko lang sa mga designers doon kung nasaan yung suit at pwede ko nang suotin.
Okay.
So, yun nga. So, nasabi parang kaibigan po ng designer na
Okay.
nag-point out, sinot niya po sa akin. Then, parang dahilan ko bakit wala po yung designer since may binibili po siya para mapandagdag. So throughout that, calm lang ako doon. Chill lang.
Chill lang, kalmado
Mm.
lang. Yun naman ang pinaka-importante talaga sa lahat ng ng productions
Mm.
We do expect na meron at merong technical difficulties sa mangyayari kasi it's a live performance.
Yes.
Pero ang pinakamahalaga doon, kailangan kalmado ka lang.
Mm.
Yan. Yung mga personal lang yun. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, joke lang po. Kasi ako naman, that was my personal experience talaga. Kasi syempre, the personals, kailangan alam nila yung kung paano tumatakbo yung show, di ba?
Yes.
So, they are the ones na mag-remind na, guys, susunod na, ganito and so all. Ayan. So, may tanong si Mami Ray, Mama J, puro kasi mama di ba? Ang ating mga visitor right now sa comment section. But may question dito si Mami J. Sabi niya, for all models, pag di nyo bet yung makeup, hair, or outfit, wag na mag-ati. Ay, hindi pala question to, comment pala. Wag daw po tayo mag-attitude kasi hindi lahat maganda at gwapo, ha? But may point si Mami, di ba? Si
Yes.
Mama J. Kasi hello, um, we can do only what we can do as, yun, alam mo yun, the best outfit that we can, di
Yes.
ba? At saka at the end of the day, nasa pagdadala yan di
Yes
ba?
po.
Paano mo ba siya dadalhin sa stage, right?
Mm.
And hindi naman magician ang ating mga makeup artists and hair and makeup artists and as well as our designers. But then again, part of it is skill, di ba? Now, gaano kahalaga sa iyo ang skill?
So, para sa akin, parang majority needs skill po. Mga 60 to 40%. So, 60% skill, 40% yung appearance, things like that, that makes you unique po.
Oh, perfect. 60-40. Ay, ganda na 60-40 rule. So, syempre, kahit saan natin tignan, di ba? Kasi tatlo yan di ba? It's attitude, knowledge, and skill. Di ba? So, well, parating una kasi ang attitude. Kasi yun yung unang inihaharap natin sa tao.
Yes.
But, if perfect mo na ang attitude, it doesn't mean na okay ka na. You have to really be good in knowledge and skill. Di ba? Kasi wala ring kwenta yung pagiging mabuting loob. Wow! Hindi, malaking bagay po yun yung pagiging mabuting loob. Pero what I'm saying is, in a professional way kasi, kailangan meron ka pa ring knowledge and skill at the end of the day. Yan. Alright, so, now, lilipat lang ako ng konti, mag-shift gear lang tayo.
Sige po.
Now, you've mentioned a while ago na gusto mong take the medicine sooner or later. And right now, you're taking in medical tech as your course in college. Now, anong inspiration mo? Bakit ito yung course na kinuha mo?
So, kinuha ko tong course since, first of all, stable siya. So, kahit di ko mag-try mag-doktor, may trabaho pa rin ako.
Yes.
And since yung sa lolo ko. So, Victory naman to, siya isang medtech din po siya. So, nag-inspire po.
Okay.
Inspire po ako doon. Na sa ibang bansa naman po siya nagtrabaho as medtech po.
Hindi ka naman takot sa mga dugo-dugo.
Hindi naman po.
So, yeah, very good. Kasi you will be working a lot, di ba?
Yes.
With bloods, with kung ano-anong fluids coming from sa mga tao, di ba? Kasi hindi lang naman blood ang hina-handle ng mga medtechs, di ba? They also handle stools, urines, and so on, mga swabs, and so on, and so on. Now, if for example, right now, kasi it's your first year in medtech, tama ba ako?
Yes po.
If I can remember it correctly. Paano during this time is merong dumating na isang competition that you really, not so, well, hindi naman, I'm not saying na competition lang, but rather mga fashion shows or anything that is related to ramp modeling.
Yes.
Pero, meron kang schedule that you have to attend sa school. Which one ang uunahin mo? Is it the schooling or yung para sa ramp modeling?
So, broad terms, school muna talaga.
Okay.
Sa education. Pero, kung sakali, matapat siya sa isang school days na walang quiz, parang discussion lang.
Mhm.
Then, pwede naman ako doon magtuloy ng fashion show.
Okay.
Then, since may allowable naman na absences sa mga subjects,
Mhm.
so, pwede ko siya gamitin. Para di din ma-miss yung opportunity na yun.
Mhm. So you have to really juggle the time, no? Dito, babalik na naman tayo sa time management
Yes.
kasi kailangan mo siyang paglaruan yung schedules eh,
Mm.
'di ba? And pero if in case you've mentioned na talagang school first
Yes.
muna talaga before anything else.
Mm.
No, eh paano kapag dumating naman yung this is actually one of the dilemma na that we are encountering as well as an artist kasi
Yes.
ako I also have work
Mm.
outside, 'di ba, corporate, and yung other artists natin, syempre may sarili din silang buhay. Pero if for example, may kumatok sa'yo na opportunity,
Okay.
and this opportunity, yung gustong-gusto mo talagang opportunity,
Okay.
no, kaya lang kasi it doesn't allow you kasi meron kang schedule at school.
Mm.
Ano gagawin mo in that scenario?
Mm. Mahirap yan. So, for me, school talaga kasi po ang unahin eh.
Okay?
Since yun yung stable na livelihood.
Mhm.
So, kahit mawalan ka ng opportunity sa artist, sa pagiging artist or sa modeling.
Mhm.
Pero pag may ACADS ka pa nun, or may academics, may
Mhm.
trabaho ka pa na after.
Mhm.
Since stable yung income, stable din yung yung
Mhm.
pamumuhay po doon. Since sa artist naman, sa pagkalam ko, parang di man unstable, pero di laging same yung payout every month, katulad ng may mga trabaho po.
Mhm. Correct.
Mm.
Tama yan. And it will be a long-term, kumbaga medyo matagal pa yun eh. Kung
Yes.
gusto mo you want to be stable as an artist,
Mm.
that's the reality ha. Guys, if you really wanted to become an artist sooner or later, you have to consider that as well. Kasi hindi siya with a snap of a finger.
Yes.
Andyan na yung work sa artist side. So it
Mm.
would really take time. No, so you have to make sure na meron ka pa ring something na alam mong stable na pagkukuhaan.
Yes, yes.
Yan, so very good. How about sa pagiging doctor naman? Kasi that's, well, it's two different fields pero they are somehow related.
Okay.
Eh, kasi it's pre-med eh.
Mm.
Pero what inspires you? Bakit mo tinake or bakit gusto mong i-take ang medicine sooner or later?
Ever since nasa Austral, talagang gusto kong maging doktor.
Okay.
So, gusto ko kasi tumulong sa mga tao,
Mhm.
save people then, and at most, dahil sa parang gusto ko rin makita yung causes and parang systems ng mga diseases.
Okay.
So, gusto rin mag-delve doon more scientifically sa mga kung bakit nagkakasakit ng ganito, paano natin ititigil, and parang sa mga vaccinations katulad po ng ganyan.
Okay. Well, that's a good point, no? And maganda na medtech ang kinuha mo because if medicine kasi, I would say na medtech yung isa sa pinakamagandang
Yes.
option as your
Opo.
pre-med. Kasi you go into molecular. Wow, molecular! Medyo
Mm.
technical na tayo, no? Kasi nasa medical field tayong pinag-uusapan
Mm.
natin. But, you know, magandang experience yun or maganda as your starting point talaga ang medtech. Kasi,
Opo.
you will be dealing with molecular items. Yan, kasi
Mm.
medtech, 'di ba, ang
Yes po.
starting point mo. Now, let's say this is just a theoretical questions no, in the
Mm.
future to. So for example, you're already a doctor right now. You're
Yes.
working as a doctor.
Okay.
No, or let's say unfortunately hindi mo natapos ang pagdodoktor.
Ah.
No. So it's either medtech or doctor ang profession mo in the near future. Mas pipiliin mo ba na mag-stay here in the Philippines to work as a doctor or a medtech, or you also have a plan to go abroad?
I do have a plan to go abroad since medical technologies here in the Philippines don't
Mhm.
get that good of a wage,
Mhm.
unfortunately. But I do intend to work here for a few years, then go to abroad since it was recommended by, I believe, Department of Labor to
Mhm.
at least work at least 2 years, then go abroad.
Okay.
Mm.
So you wanted to somehow work muna dito, experience ba, kumbaga.
Yes.
Which is actually is a good kasi, well, honestly speaking, guys, iba in medical, well, how should I say it, na comparing kasi the salary between the two, between the two countries,
Mhm.
Philippines and abroad, no, hindi talaga siya
Hindi
Hindi
pantay.
talaga siya pantay. That's the reality. Oh. It's a
Yes.
sad reality, no? Hindi talaga siya pantay and usually mas mataas yung nakukuha compensations outside the country.
Mm.
No? Yan. May question di. Teka nga, question ba to? Or comment na naman si Mama J. Ayan, si Mama J. Jason Lopez. Sabi niya, experience ko, di naman, ito naman si Mama. Di naman sikat na model habang mini-makeupan ko hawak niya mirror. Panay aura sa mirror at nagre-receive ng calls. Gusto ko. Gusto ko nang sabunutan. Pero kalmado lang ang
Mm.
kids. Ayan. Ay nako Mama. Mama J talaga. Pag ganon, kalabitin mo na. Hindi, joke lang. Well, there will be time din naman kasi that nangyayari naman talaga yon in
Mm.
reality, right? But siguro what I could see, kailangan din natin minsan we have to check ourselves
Yes.
and to make sure na we are yung foot natin it's still on the ground,
Mm.
'di ba? Kasi you would never know, gaya nga ng parating sinasabi ni Direk Rodel Mercado na ang mga makeup artists, ang mga directors, ang mga hair artists natin, mga designers,
Yes.
yan, nag-uusap-usap yan, magkakape yan sila. Ay, alam mo ba
Mm.
si ganito? Medyo yung ugali niya. Siyempre,
Mm.
it's already a negative publicity on your end. So, kailangan talaga, we really need to be down to earth pa
Yes.
rin
Yes.
at all times, di ba? Ayan, so babalik tayo dun sa gusto mong i-take in the near future, no?
Mm.
So, since you're starting right now as a medtech student,
Yes.
no, in UST, was there any actual time na kailangan mong mamili between two? Is it, ano bang unahin ko? School ba talaga? Or I want to still try to do, alam mo, live entertainments
Yes.
like mga ramp modeling. Was there an actual scenario that happened to you?
Well, today,
Mm.
since may klase dapat ako ngayon,
Oh, okay.
1 to 7, 7 to 7 kasi schedule ko. So,
Mm.
na-miss ako. Dalawang class lang naman siya.
Okay.
So,
Batiin mo yung mga teachers mo, yung professor mo, baka
wag
nanonood
po.
sila.
Wag po. So pinili ko to mga interview since sabi nga ni Direk na kailangan ko ng exposure if I ever want to go into live entertainment.
Mhm.
And so yeah, I've done that just today. And di ko man na-regret yung choice ko.
Wow. Gusto mo yan, Peter? Hindi daw siya nagre-regret. Ayan. Well, actually, it's a good choice, no? Kasi totoo naman yon. If you really want to
Mm.
pursue the artist side, no, kailangan mo talaga ng exposure.
Yes.
And kung hindi ako nagkakamali, you were at a different interview segment a while ago, di ba?
Yes.
Kaninang tanghali.
Yes po.
With, ano nga yun? Tara, usap tayo.
Opo.
Right? So, I was actually watching your clips down there no kanina and sabi ko, uy, may potential. Kasi maganda yung registry mo sa camera. Okay, fairness Ayan. Now, eto naman, since you have already somehow started on your career, no?
Mm.
Parehas yan, professionally, academically, and professionally as a ramp model.
Mm.
Anong gusto mong sabihin for those individuals right now na gusto ring itry na i-follow yung career that they wanted in the future? Maybe maging artist sila or maging ramp model like you.
So, pinakauna, hard work. If you really want to achieve something like modeling or artistry, working hard is definitely going to be a factor, a requirement perhaps. Then next will be, talent and exposure. For talent-wise, mag-iba-iba naman sa mga tao. May mas talento sa iyo or mas less talent sa iyo. Depende na yun sa kano ka hardworking ka, pwede mo ma-overcome. Then for opportunities, just keep saying yes. Because kailangan mo talaga makilala, makita, at magkaroon ng experience para maging model and artist.
Okay. That's very good. Now, you really have to say yes to the opportunities.
Mm.
But take note, guys, even though that you say yes, you have to choose as well the opportunities. Kasi hindi natin alam, baka mamaya yung opportunities pala na knock sa atin is it will bring us, alam mo na, negative publicities and so on. So, it's really still important, guys, na we yes to opportunities. However, we have to make sure na it is a valid opportunity.
Mm-mm.
Kasi hindi natin alam in the near future, baka bumalik sa atin yon, di ba?
Yes po.
Yan. Now, one last question kasi mag-1 hour ng bilis ng oras, di ba?
Mm.
Tira-timeran tayo ni Peter eh. 15 minutes na lang, 12 minutes na lang daw.
Yes.
Now, this is my last question.
Okay.
Okay, this is out of the box kasi to eh. And I usually ask this to my guests. Now, kasi I want to see how you see the perspective of you being you or yung want mo to become other people.
Okay.
'Di ba? So, kung halimbawa mabubuhay ka sa next life mo,
Mm.
right? Would you rather choose to be still you as you or would you want to try the other's life?
I would still be me since
Okay.
since I feel like marami pa akong potential na pwede irating.
Okay.
So, if dala ko pa rin yung mga kaalaman ko noon from the past life, then so in that new life, I will probably reach that potential. And rather than become somebody new, try your best to be what you really are.
Okay, perfect. So you're still going to choose to be you,
Mm.
right? Ayan, napakagandang mensahe from Nico. Be you. Ang daming sinabi, yun lang yung be you. Okay. So, we're top of the hour no, Nico. But before I
Yes.
give you the floor, Peter, meron pa ba tayong mga humabol na comments? Wala na for now. Okay. So, sige. I'll be giving you the floor now. Now, so that, you could plug your social media account or if you do have any gigs na kung saan ka namin pwedeng panoorin. So, I'll give you the floor. Please do plug your social media accounts and kung saan ka namin mapapanood.
So, pwede nyo ako ma-follow sa Instagram, which is Angelo Nico Dimano. Profile picture niya is me, tapos naka-red na suit. Then for Facebook naman, Dimano Nico Angelo, same ways. Then for upcoming gimmicks or gigs, wala naman. Pero, stay with me and help me grow po.
Ayun. Thank you so much, Nico. So before anything else, guys, once and for all again, bago tayo magtapos, I would also want to thank once again our sponsors, Asinia Aesthetic Clinics. So if you want to have a beautiful, radiant, and glowing skin, so punta na sa pinakamalapit nilang branches. So the details are flashing on the screen. They are always open every day from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Please directly contact them for any bookings and reservations. And then we would also want to invite everyone to please do like, subscribe, and follow to our social fan pages for Ignos Artist Management in Facebook and in Instagram. Siyempre, andyan ang Ignis Novus Artist Management and in TikTok, we have at ignisnovus.official. And beside from that, our mother production, First Son Production, of course, please do like, follow, and subscribe as well on our Facebook and Instagram pages. We have First Son Production. And if you want to see more of our, contents, educational contents, mga teasers in theaters, short films, and mga corporate events, now please do also follow, like, and subscribe to First Son Creatives in YouTube account naman. So nandyan most of our contents that we are doing not only on live but also including yung mga workshops ng ating mga artists. And of course, syempre, please do also watch our live streams. That's every 7 p.m. Mondays. Unang-una, again, with Mommy Ray. Ayan, Chikahan with Mommy Ray. That's every Mondays at 7 p.m. Up Top Down Low Podcast with Caleb Alvarez and Charles Leon Partido. That's every Wednesdays at 7 p.m. And of course, last but not the least, would be Coffee Chat with the Ven Noveno. That's every Thursdays at 7 p.m. And then please do also follow me, guys, on our social media account. In Facebook, it's Daven Noveno. And in TikTok, it's also Daven Noveno. And in my Instagram, it's king_mo_ako. Ayan, it's another very successful episode that we have together with Nico. Nico, again, thank you so much for, being our guest for tonight.
Thank you as
Yan,
well.
maraming salamat. And before we end tonight, we would like to thank everyone as well for staying with us. Ha? Maraming salamat po. And Merry Christmas in advance ulit. And a Happy New Year. Yan. So, gaya nga na parati namin sinasabi, guys, in order for you to taste life, you have to taste it like a cup of coffee for you to enjoy it. Maraming salamat, guys. Thank you so much. See you again next day. Next day? Next week, same time, same day. And maraming salamat po. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.